Welcome back viewers to our channel. In this video we are now going to install the EndeavourOS Atlantis Neo 21.5 version. So this is the older version now. So the new Artemis version has been released. So what we are going to do is we will install the older Atlantis Neo version and then we will try to do an upgrade and check whether the upgrade path works or not. So let us start with the installation. So you can use either Endeavour if it is available. So Endeavour template is not available, so you can use the Arch template, so it will work fine because Endeavour is a Arch based distro. Go to next. You can increase the RAM size to 4 GB and the virtual hard disk to 25 GB. Hit the create button. So first option is the default option. Second is with NVIDIA drivers. Boot with the existing OS. Run memory test. Check out the hardware information. So automatically it has chosen the first option, and we will start with the installation of the OS. I think we will boot into the live XFCE session because Endeavour ISO comes with the XFCE session, which is default, and other desktops are available as an online install. So we are booted now. So this is the live XFCE version session, and this is the welcome screen. On the welcome screen you can start the installer. You can install from the community editions. You can partition the disk using the partition manager. You can view the latest release info. You can check out the installation tips. You can know how to share the system logs. So suppose during the installation you have any issues, then you can share the system logs in the community forums and get help from other users and admins or even devs also if they are available. And you can change the display resolution. So let us try to change the display resolution. So check if my resolution is available. Yes, I just saw it. Yes, so this will work. Set and stay. Yes, so this works fine. Set and stay. Yes. Set and quit. Yes. Now you can start the installer along with a debug terminal. So I think this will install the XFCE desktop only, and if we go with the install community editions, then you will be able to install the community editions like Cinnamon. So let it start. I will show you. So let us see what can be installed using this community installer or the community option. So locally selected properly, system languages and the numbers dates locally is also perfectly done. We will choose India, keyboard layout with rupee, India with rupee English. Then we will go ahead. So we will use the erase this option. We will use the erase this option. Next. Yes, now these are the community editions. So BS PWM window manager is there, OpenBox edition is there, Qtile edition is there, and the Sway edition is there. So if you want to install any of this window manager, you have to use the community edition. Some further desktops are also there, but it is not available in this installer. So what we will do is I will cancel the installation. So this cancels the installation. I will close the terminal. This was the uh, terminal logging was going on in the background. So I will close this. Now let us start the installer. And so there is one general info tab also. So if you visit this tab, there are further links to website, wikis, news, forum, donate, and about welcome. So we will go back to the install tab and let us start the uh, installer. And before that, you can always update the mirrors. Let us do the updation of mirrors. So it will update the arch mirrors, and I think in endeavor mirrors also it will be updated. Yes. Select the arch mirrors with the reflector. So here I think if you, yes, it is already selected India, so I need not do anything. It is okay with me. And the maximum number of freshest mirrors is 10. Sort by rate. So it has already sorted the best mirrors for me in India. So I will close this down. Let us start the installer. So offline method gives you an XFCE desktop with the EndeavourOS theming. Interconnection is not needed. Online methods lets you choose the desktop with vanilla theming. Internet connection is required. So what we can do is how to go about it. Let me think for a second. Okay, now what we can do is uh, we will do two installations. Let us do this installation with the offline method. So offline method means the packages that are available in this ISO will be installed. So it will be a completely EndeavourOS theming of the XFCE desktop. And in the online method, lets you choose the desktop with vanilla theming. Internet connection is required. So both these options are there. So what we will do is we will have to do two installations, because suppose we go with the online installation first, it will install the any of the chosen desktop with vanilla theming, so internet connection will be required. And in the second, the offline mode gives you an XFCE desktop with the EndeavourOS theming. Or maybe what we can do is we can go with the online method first to check out what happens, or we can go with the offline. Difficult decision what to do. Okay, what we do is let us do the offline installation first with XFCE desktop with Endeavour theming. So let us do it. So we are now chosen the option. The installation has started. The Calamars installer is there on the screen. Hit the next button. The local is properly selected. Hit next. Now select Indian keyboard layout with English India with rupee option. Go ahead. Let us do the erase disk option, and we will go with no swap. And let us use the ButterFS file system. Hit the next button. Input your name. Now you can choose your password. Do remember it, otherwise you will not logged into your virtual machine. Use the same password for admin account. You should have a different password for admin account to add an extra layer of security, but since this is only a review, we go with the same password for admin account. Hit next. Check out the summary looks okay to me. Hit the install button. Confirm the install now option, and now you have to wait for the installation to complete. So in the next video we will do a review of the XFCE desktop that is being installed in this video, and after that we will try to install the desktops from this installation only. So if it is possible to install the desktop from the terminal, we will do it. So the installation is complete. Now I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will do the review of the XFCE desktop that is installed today. Bye bye. See you in the next video.